Digits on the beat.
Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in again to Breezy Bree TV. We out here. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup look. So I always like to make sure my face is either washed or wiped off before I start any makeup look, because you always want to start with a clean canvas. So here we go. I'm going to do a little bit of spraying as well just to get my face fresh. And I'm going to brush out my eyebrows and then put those on real quick. I always like to conceal my eyebrows to make them a little bit more snatched. Going to be going in with the lighter color concealer so that my red will lay down beautifully. I actually used red lip gloss for this look on my eyes. So I want it really pigmented, so I used various different colors of red. This is the Morphe palette. I'm going to use 2 red shades within this palette as well. And I'm going to use that to blend out the lip gloss. Blending is definitely a job. Next, I'm going to go in with black from that same Morphe palette. And I'm going to put that on the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes. Blending, blending, blending. You don't want it to look too harsh, so blending is definitely going to make a big difference. Still blending. Now I'm going in with a little bit more red because I do want it to be pretty red. I am Little Red Riding Hood, so it has to be red. Using a little bit of the glitter glue, I'm going to go in with some red sparkles in my eyes, just on a lower crease. And then next I'm going to be doing a very thick eyeliner and then hitting the back of my eyelid with some black eyeshadow for more dramatic. It's supposed to look kind of dark and kind of gory. Alright, next we have eyelashes that I need to put on. Always prime, prime, prime before foundation. Patting that foundation in. And next with the concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer. Patting that in as well. And the foundation that I use is just NYX foundation. Going in with the Revlon banana powder. And I'm going to be bronzing with just a bronzing palette in the darkest shade. Wig time! Yes, I need to put my wig on. This is a red wig that I got just from the wig store. and it will definitely make my look complete. Little brown lip liner, and I'm going to finish it off with just some regular clear lip gloss. Yes, and I am ready for Halloween. Brush them bangs, girl. So this is the finished look for my Little Red Riding Hood Halloween look. This wig I got from my wig shop. So I don't know if I'm actually going to be Little Red Riding Hood or not for Halloween, because I might be matching with my son. But anyways, yes. So if you are thinking about being a fashionable Little Red Riding Hood, then here we go. This is the look for that. So happy Halloween, and I hope y'all have so much fun with y'all kids, trick-or-treating and all that good stuff. I'm probably gonna end up being Little Red Riding Hood for Thanksgiving. For Halloween. For Halloween, y'all can tell I got Thanksgiving food on my mind, so ignore that. But yes, I think I might end up being Little Red Riding Hood, like a little sexy Little Red Riding Hood or something for Halloween. Yes, I do think I will. But anyway, yes, this was my look on Little Red Riding Hood. I hope y'all enjoyed this look, and if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. Comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween. And once again, thank you so much for watching Breezy Bree TV. We out here. And I hope y'all have a great Halloween. Thank you. Like I always say, stay positive. Bye.
Digits on the beat.